So guys, hello everyone. Today I have one electro car. This is the new 2022 Megane E-Tech. It's what it's called. As you know me, I don't like so much the electric cars, but this is the future and I got the opportunity to drive this car, and why not? I will make one video today. This is all new. I don't know so many things about this car. I know only this is full electric and it has 220 horsepower and a lot of electric stuffs inside. Let's take a ride and we will see. So when you come, yes, opens. Just deep here. You have all this charged stuff inside. Okay, you're sitting nice, not so it's not so many space here, and also upstairs. I think it's nothing so special to see. This is the electro motor. You have some stuff for water, also fluid here. I don't know what is this. Let's drive. I am first time in this car and I don't know so many things, but I will discover now when I'm driving. I know that we have here this is like the Renault Alpine, and you can change here the drive modes: comfort, eco, sport, and personalized. Then I know that you have here also you can everything configure from here, but I find something cool because here you are on the driver, you go to massage and you have dynamic, smooth. I will do this here, smooth, and now the car makes you massage. So let's drive. This is the gears here. Now we are in comfort and ready to drive. But oh, the massage works well. It's okay. When I took the car, here was 400 kilometers. The range I can drive But now, as you see, I was driving here. This is almost, I think, 17 kilometers, but is also on the mountains. And as you see, I have only 235. Yes, this is the problem that the electric cars must solve. Here we have a very nice quality of the back camera. As you can see, you have also this 360. Large screen, and also here. You feel when you go down on the hill, you feel that the car is very heavy. But I mentioned this is not the type of car to driving like this here in this road. This is more chilling. But I try the car because I want to know how it is. Yeah. Now. I have here full now. This is mean that the brakes, they take very strong when you look. Take a look. And now I make this very full. Now the car rolls. You put here. I think this is like downshifting. It's very hot here. When you do this, okay, you can see, but not so much, but this is better, and you have a very clear camera.